In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printful to Squarespace. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Connecting Printful to Squarespace is a great way to streamline your online store, allowing you to fulfill orders quickly and efficiently. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Printful account. If you don't have one yet, it's super easy to sign up. Just follow the instructions on their website. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Look for the section labeled Stores. This is where we'll begin the connection process. Now that you're in the Store section, the first step is to click on a button that says Choose Platform. This is where you are going to select Squarespace as your e-commerce platform. So go ahead and click on that option. You should see a list of different platforms you can connect with, but make sure to pick Squarespace. Next, once you click on Squarespace, you'll see a button that says Connect. Go ahead and click that too. This action will open a new page for Squarespace where you need to log in to your Squarespace account. If you've already done this before, it should be fairly simple. Just enter your credentials and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll likely see a prompt asking you to authorize this connection. You want to click Allow on this pop-up. This gives Printful the necessary permissions to integrate with your Squarespace store. After allowing the permissions, you'll see another option that says Continue. Click that to move forward. Now here comes a confirmation step. To ensure everything is all set, you will need to click on the Connect button once again. It's important to make sure that both services recognize each other properly, so don't skip this step. With that done, you can return to Printful. Here, you'll navigate back to the Stores section. It might take a moment, but you should see that your Squarespace store now appears in your list of connected stores. How cool is that? At this point, congratulations! Your Squarespace store is officially connected to Printful. This means you can start taking advantage of Printful's fulfillment services, which can help save you time as you manage your online business. Now that everything is connected, be sure to explore Printful's features, like product syncing, order fulfillment, and shipping options. It really streamlines the process of running an online store. You can customize your product offerings in Printful and ensure they automatically sync with your Squarespace store. Remember, you can always go back and manage your settings as your business grows. Printful makes it really easy to adjust your products and manage orders directly from their platform. Finally, if you run into any issues along the way, both Printful and Squarespace have excellent customer support options. They're really committed to helping you out, so don't hesitate to reach out if something doesn't go as planned. So there you have it. You now know how to connect Printful to Squarespace in a few simple steps. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you're excited to start leveraging this integration for your online shop. Before we wrap up, don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's something else you'd like to learn about. And again, if you found today's video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best as you launch or grow your online store.